guys, did you check out yesterday's video? Did you catch it? We're doing Vlogmas. Welcome to day 2 in our 2021 Vlogmas.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
So here's the sitch. Joel and I did not want to have all the videos the same where we like wake up, do the day, go to bed. We were like, okay, we need the good videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're not just gonna half-a this thing. Don't mind the jankiness of my notes. But we have a few pillars that we would like our videos to fall under for Vlogmas. It is very important to us that we do a lot of service, okay? Like, this is very important to us. So we need video ideas from all of you. We have our ideas, but we'd like to hear from you guys. So we know we want to do service, but then we get kind of stumped like, okay, how do you find a family? How do you, so like, some like details like this is what we want to like work out, and we want to do it in the best way possible. Okay, let's say we want to do service for some of you guys at home, for all the single moms out there. Like, what would be the best way to go about that? And you guys always have the best ideas, so we want to hear about these ideas. Okay, the next category of videos is activities. I think we've got that down pat, unless you have some really great ones, you know, in the state of Utah, let us know. And then food, I think it's really important because this is what's important to me, and so this will feel natural, okay? And then, guys, giveaways. I don't even have anything particular in mind. All I know is that I really want to do a bunch of giveaways starting with today. So, because I'm asking for your help in the comments, I want you to comment ideas that are gonna fall under those pillars, okay? And I'm gonna choose one of those comments and I'm gonna Venmo you 50 bucks.
50 smackaroos.
50 doll hairs. It's actually 5,000 pennies to be exact.
50 bows.
That's half of $100.
Lincoln, you have matching shoes. Get your matching shoes. Find matching shoes and let's go. Okay, everyone get your shoes on and meet me at the front door, please. Cody, go close the garage door. I'm not sure why it's open. Okay, Joel, today's vlog.
Today's vlog is service. It is very important that we show the kids how to perform service. We know that we are very, very blessed, and we want to show the kids how to give back in today's vlog.
Okay, but first we need to put all of our garbage cans away, and we need to take a thumbnail for Joel's video for his channel, so look out for that on Friday. Okay, do you kids even know what we're doing?
Not really. No.
Okay, do you know what the food pantry is?
No. Yeah.
The food pantry, Joel, is...
where people who don't have food can go and pick up food.
And do they give it to people for free?
I don't know.
Or maybe for cheap?
It's either discounted or it's free, but it's a place for other people who have plenty of food to donate to so that it can be dispersed to people who need it.
Your schools will do like bring a can of food and you get in free or something. They always give that food to the food pantry. So we called the food pantry and we asked them what they needed, and we said we would love to come and do service at your center, and the guy on the phone was like, well, the service is all booked up for November and December. He goes, but every other year every other month during the year is completely empty. And I thought, you know what? I'm glad he told me that. It was a little abrupt, but I'm glad he told me because I think we should schedule a time to go when it's not the holiday season and they need some help.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna put that on our like beginning of the year calendars.
The food pantry said that they're always low on baking supplies, so that's what we're gonna stock up on.
I mean, this is pretty cool. Thanks, Cody. 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks of sugar. Do you think that's okay? Or do you think we need more?
I think we should do 30 to make it even.
Okay. Olivia, we are going to need another cart. You will get another cart. We're already getting full.
having to buy them.
Okay, next question. Next question, Freeze. What do you think is an item that people would like to bake with?
Sugar.
We already got sugar. What's another kind of sugar? A different color of sugar?
Purple sugar.
Boston, look right here. What do you think?
Brown sugar.
Too many. A little overzealous there. I said come 10, you came 90.
That was actually hilarious. And please tell me someone noticed Lincoln in the background. What item do you think people need for baking? Flour. Nope.
This cart. Oh! Mom's gonna help you so we don't tear them.
Yeah, there's like clumps of flour in there, Cody.
I'm not entirely sure why 18 is the lucky number, but it is.
I love Jiffy. Everyone grab a cake mix.
I like mine. Whatever this is, I like it.
That, Cody, is the airbags pumping up because there is so much weight in the back of the Suburban right now.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
You could hear it?
I could hear it.
I couldn't. I'm deaf also. But.
Still remember back in the day, first riding an open sleigh. I was a child, I was the kind who smiled.
Hi, are you accepting donations?
Yeah.
All right, kids, bring them the bags.
You got room for all this in there, bud? This is the smallest food pantry I've ever seen.
Make sure the liquids go with the liquids.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, good
Oh.
job. Cody, you're very strong.
That's what I got. Wait.
That's why you got weights for Christmas. Good job, Olivia. You guys
Last one.
Good job, guys. You filled the whole thing. Oh. Good job, everyone. Do you guys know that not everybody has food in their cupboards? And that this is super helpful to people that don't have enough money to
They
buy
said
food?
they didn't have any baking supplies, so we got sugar, flour, brown sugar, oil,
Hey, Cody.
cake.
We just showed them. They know.
Whoa!
It is very important that you guys know to be giving of what you have. Even if you don't have a lot, you should be giving. If you have a lot, you should be giving a lot, okay?
Like Mr. Beast gives out a lot of money because he has
Like
a lot of money.
Mr. Beast. 3, 4. We are doing leftovers for dinner. And in case you are wondering, taking all 4 of your hyper kids out and creating a really put together vlog may cause nerves. We'll say that, okay? Okay, we are gonna close the vlog. Thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 2. I am trying, heaven help me, to get my kids ready for bed and to call it a night. So if you guys have not checked out Vlogmas Day 1, go check it out. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Smackaroos.
No, wait, it wasn't in focus. 50 smackaroos.
To be exact, it's about 50. Wait,
5,000.
okay. That's actually half of 50. It's actually 50.
$50. Bones.
That's actually half of Can I say dollars? That's half of $50.
Say that's half of $50. Okay, that was really lame.